The Supreme Court on Wednesday ordered the centre to provide detailed information on all COVID-19 vaccines purchased by the government to date, including Covaxin, Covishield and Sputnik V. The dates of all the central government procurement orders for all the three vaccinations, the quantity of vaccines ordered as of each date, and the expected date of supply according to the court. The Apex Court has also asked the centre to share its plan on how and when the government will vaccinate the remaining population in phases 1, 2 and 3. Further, the court also sought information on the steps being taken by the central government to ensure drug availability for mucormycosis. The ruling was issued by a bench of Justices D.Y. Chandrachud, L. Nageshwara Rao and S. Ravindra Bhatt in a suo motu case filed by the highest court to address issues surrounding the administration of COVID-19 in the country. The third wave of COVID-19 could be as severe as the second wave and could last for an average duration of 98 days according to an SBI report. However, the number of COVID-related deaths can be reduced by increasing vaccinations and improvement of health infrastructure, it noted. In a 5-page report, it pointed out that the average duration of the third wave for developed countries was 98 days as against 108 days in the second wave. If the country is better prepared for the third wave, the decline in serious case rate, patients that require oxygen, intensive care unit beds, etc. will lead to fewer deaths, the SBI EcoRap report said. We find that if serious cases decline from 20% to 5% due to better health infrastructure and rigorous vaccination in the third wave, the number of deaths in the third wave could significantly reduce to 40,000 as compared to the current deaths of more than 0.17 million. The Delhi High Court on Wednesday said if the government could not ensure that people get both the doses of Covaxin within the stipulated period of time, then it should not have started so many vaccination centers with much pomp and splendor. Justice Rekha Palli issued notice to the Delhi government and sought its stand on whether it can provide the second dose of Covaxin to those who got the first jab before expiry of the incubation period of 6 weeks between the two doses. The court also issued notice to the centre on 2 pleas to make the second dose of both vaccines against COVID-19, Covaxin and Covishield, available in the national capital. Why did you, that is Delhi government, start the vaccination if you were not sure you can provide the second dose also? You should have stopped. Maharashtra stopped when it found it cannot provide the second dose. This is what the court said. A day after local Antiguan media reported on his alleged links and collusion with absconding diamond heir Mehul Choksi's brother, Chetan Chinubhai Choksi, Dominican leader of opposition Lennox Linton has vehemently denied the allegations. He said, "I do not know Chetan Choksi. I have not seen him, not met him or spoken to him. I could not have met anyone at a residence that does not exist. I would not be surprised if I am being targeted by my government. I have been targeted before," he has told a private Indian news channel. A report in the Dominican media outlet Associates Times on Tuesday stated that Chetan gave a token of $2 lakh to Linton and promised him more than $1 million in financial assistance in the upcoming general elections for raking up the matter in the parliament. Doctors in Assam on Wednesday boycotted the outpatient department services in protest against the brutal attack on junior doctor at a COVID-19 care center in Hojai district on Tuesday. The junior doctors, accompanied by senior doctors and frontline health workers, staged a protest by wearing black badges in the government-run hospitals of Guwahati, Hojai, Biswanath, Jorhat, Tejpur, Nagaon and many other places in the state. It is very unfortunate that a junior doctor was attacked by some people when the doctors and health workers are giving their supreme sacrifice to save lives of people during the COVID-19 pandemic situation, a member of the Assam Medical Service Association said. Police have so far arrested 24 people for allegedly attacking the doctor, Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said on Wednesday.